Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and today I'll discuss the best natural solutions for psoriasis and your health. If you're struggling with psoriasis, you might have tried various treatments, but did you know that your diet plays a crucial role in managing psoriasis symptoms? And today I'll share with you 5 powerful superfoods that can help reduce inflammation, nourish your skin and support your overall health. These are easy to incorporate into your daily diet and can significantly impact your psoriasis recovery journey. So let us get started. The first superfood on our list is pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with zinc, magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids which are excellent for skin health. Zinc plays a crucial role in wound healing and reducing inflammation, both of which are essential for psoriasis patients. On the other hand, omega-3 fatty acids help reduce dryness and scaling associated with psoriasis. So how to add pumpkin seeds to your diet? You can eat a handful of raw or roasted pumpkin seed as a snack in olive oil. Sprinkle them over salads, sprouts or yogurt, or you can blend them into natural smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. Next we have walnuts, which is one of the best plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 are known for their anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce redness and irritation. Flare-ups also in psoriasis patients. They also support gut health, and as we know, a healthy gut is essential for controlling autoimmune conditions like psoriasis. You can eat a few walnuts daily as a snack. Also chop them up and add them to your morning cereals or yogurt. You can also mix them into your salads or vegetable stir fries. And make sure you can soak these walnuts overnight before using them. Now let us move on to the next superfood, which is coconut water. As we all know, hydration is the key when dealing with psoriasis, and that is why coconut water is an excellent addition to your diet. It is packed with electrolyte, vitamins and antioxidants which help detoxify the body, reduces inflammation and keep your skin hydrated. Psoriasis can lead to excessive dryness, and drinking coconut water can help maintain moisture level in your skin. You can start your day with fresh coconut water for maximum benefits. Use it in smoothies, herbal teas or even soups for nourishment. Replacing regular water with coconut water adds both hydration and nutrients. Now let us talk about zucchini, a light, low-calorie vegetable rich in antioxidant and beta-carotene, all essential to manage psoriasis effectively. Plus, it is high in water content, helping psoriasis patients combat dryness and inflammation. Now, how to add zucchini to your diet? So you can grate it and add it to your salad, stir fry it with other vegetables, but make sure that the oil you're using is olive oil. Also, you can make zucchini noodles as a low-carb alternative to pasta. Last but not the least, we have papaya, a delicious fruit rich in vitamin A and papain enzyme. The papain enzyme helps exfoliate dead skin cells, reduces flakiness and promote new skin growth. Additionally, it is strong antioxidant property, help fight oxidative stress, which can trigger psoriasis flare-up. Adding papaya to your diet is very easy. Eating a fresh papaya as a snack or breakfast, or blending it into smoothie or fresh juices, and you can also use it in fruit salads. And you can also mash it and use it as a natural face mask for skin hydration. So these were 5 superfoods that can help you manage psoriasis naturally. Remember, psoriasis is an autoimmune condition, and while external treatments help, what you eat matters just as much. Including these nutrient-rich anti-inflammatory foods in your daily diet can significantly improve your skin health and overall well-being. And let me know which of these superfoods you are already using, or do you have a favorite psoriasis-friendly recipe? Let me know in the comment below. So that is all for today's video, and if you and someone you know are suffering from psoriasis, then you can contact us at the number mentioned in the video also. Share your doubts in the comment box and I'll be happy to answer all of them. Till then, stay healthy and keep smiling.